Hello friends, welcome to our Elementor full course. Today I will show you how to install Elementor in your website. Go to Plugin first, then select the Add New Plugin option. Then search for Elementor by typing it in. Now, click the Install button for the Elementor Website Builder app. It is the most popular website builder in the world. Now, click to Activate button for using this app. Your Elementor version has been successfully created on your website. You can now use it to create a stunning website from start to finish. Additionally, you can purchase Elementor Pro, which offers many more features than the free version. Now, we need to install the Hello Elementor theme to get started. Install and activate it. Now, you can create a new page and edit it with the Elementor drag and drop tool. If you want to build a page with a custom design from scratch, you must use the Edit with Elementor option. Yes, now you can build as your own structure. Yes, now you can build a page according to your own structure or your client's expectations. The left panel is the widget panel, where you can drag and drop any widget into your project to complete your design. The free version is limited, so if you want additional features, consider upgrading to the Pro version. If you purchase the Pro version, you can use pre-made blocks and page sections. Thank you for watching this video. We will upload all the Elementor course video first to last, totally free of cost in the YouTube. So, stay connected with us.